Hello, today I'm going to show you how to upload your lesson plans onto Office 365. So first you want to open your web browser. We're going to go to mcpss.com, and when you get there we're going to click on Our Staff. This is where you would log in with your email and your password, and it brings you to the home page. In the top left corner where you can access your apps, there are 9 little dots. You're going to click on OneDrive, and it will bring you to a page with all of your libraries to the left. You're going to want to click on Shepherd, and we're going to go to School Documents. You'll see all the grade levels listed with the school years. Make sure you click on your grade level in your current school year. When you get to your grade level, you're going to find your name, and I've already organized my area with my grade level documents because I have 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grade lesson plans. So we're going to go into 2nd grade, and I have mine organized by quarter 1, quarter 2, and I'll show you how to make a new folder. So when we get into quarter 2, we're going to make a new folder up here for November 4th through 8th, create, and I'll click on that folder. It's empty right now, so we're going to click on upload, files, and then you're going to find your file. I have to download it onto this computer. November 4th through 8th, 2nd grade. It's uploading. You'll see it uploading here in the right area. You want to wait and make sure it uploads. It'll have a nice little flag there to show you that that's a new document. And that's how you can upload your lesson plans to 365.